what's up YouTube? TFO619 in the building. Intelligent Mate behind the camera.
Hey guys.
The homie Tony's on the other side with Intelligent Mate's map. And you see us shuffling right now because we get ready for a battle video, which I haven't done in a while. I'm playing my patented fairy deck until I get the cards I need to make the deck that I want, and then he's playing the fighting deck basically is what it is. You know, Landorus and Lucario. He has like a stun fist build, but it's just like the fighting, all the good fighting that came out. He's running it in one deck, so it's basically fighting versus fairies. So hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully.
It's gonna be great.
Hopefully.
Aw.
What?
Batteries are flashing. You see them?
How was that possible?
I don't know. We can keep recording. And then, if anything, we'll just get those other ones.
Why are you gonna shuffle for it? I'll do one more for good measure then.
Okay.
Alright. Heads or tails?
Heads.
Heads it is.
Me second.
Alright.
You go second?
Yeah.
Oh, he's not running his other deck.
No basics. This vid dedicated to Bay Boy, since he's running or trying to run a fighting deck too. Pot.
Same one?
Hooligan card.
Yeah.
I
know.
Here.
Hooligan.
Alright, sorry guys, battery died, but he didn't miss anything. So I got basic, he got basic, set our prices, and we're gonna get ready to get this thing popping. So I got a Xerneas, baby Xerneas, Lucario, draw, get that. Attached Prism Energy. Let's go Fan Club. Set your deck for up to 2 basic Pokemon. Put them into your hand. Spritzy. Spritzy.
Oh, you're watching?
Nah, I don't need it.
Not in this matchup.
Wow.
Never forget.
And then since I can't attack first turn, I'm going to pass.
Lucario, Muscle Band, Shoulder Energy, and
You didn't get my shuffling on camera?
I'm getting both your shuffling. Silly. So yes I did.
Shout out to me having my blackjack license.
your what?
Blackjack license.
Did you say shout out to you? To yourself?
Yeah, I have my blackjack license.
What's a blackjack license?
I'm licensed to deal blackjack and take people's money in the casinos, good?
No, you're not.
I'm not? Okay.
You have a blackjack
Nah,
license?
okay. Alright. You just see me shuffling without looking at my eyes closed, but alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't, okay. Go ahead, Tony. Proceed.
Oh,
Proceed, Tony,
baby.
Stunfisk.
Stunfisk.
Stupid fish. Ugly fish.
Alright.
This will jump for 70.
Draw.
What in the world?
What do I want to do?
Crisp and clean, no caffeine.
What? I'm gonna play another fan club. Jirachi.
Oh my goodness.
Just wow, Tony.
Crisp and clean, no caffeine.
Don't want cardio. Let me see what I have planned. Okay, so because there's that, and then I got that, and then we're doing with that. And that. Yeah. I'm gonna get those two. Yeah. Drop Jirachi, Stellar Guidance. How many is there to bench? 2? Yeah. No. Oh, I'm gonna go back in, sorry. I'm gonna play the Ultra Ball, discarding Skyla and Muscle Band. Yeah, Muscle Band for Aromatisse and Evolve. There you go. Let's see. How can I do this? Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna drop Darkrai EX. I know, fighting weakness, but just wait, folks. Just wait. I'm gonna rush in with Keldeo. Transfer to Keldeo. Play Super Scoop Up. Hope I hit it. Got it to pick up Xerneas with damage on it. Bench the Xerneas. Attach a Fairy Energy to Xerneas. Free Retreat, because I rushed in with Darkrai. Its ability, it makes it a dark, so I can Free Retreat to send back up to Xerneas. And then Geomancy. So search my deck for 2 Fairy Energy, basically. And attach them to Pokes. Couple of pokes. So I'm gonna go those 2. You can't say that wasn't boss though.
It was pretty bad.
Wow.
That wasn't boss.
You can't say that move wasn't tight.
That wasn't tight.
Why are you hating?
I don't Corina. Corona. Comp search.
Well, you know what my one card is.
Chorus.
Still shuffling?
Yeah, you know how I get down, good. Every day I'm shuffling. What are you gonna do? You might as well just get it out the way. If you're gonna do it, just do it early now. Don't do it late game. Draw. He Mega Evolved, that's why his turn was automatically over people. Attach this to Darkrai, I guess, and then play Chorus for 8. I would just take it out. I wouldn't even run that Mega, Tony.
And there's Stunfisk.
Anything but that, honestly.
It's only Pyroar.
Oh yeah, true. But
Champ's too risky.
yeah, doesn't it like do like 40 less or something? Machamp's attack? Like if it gets hit, like if it attacks and then it gets hit next turn, it does like 40 less. Isn't that what the effect is?
Yeah.
Something, yeah, something ridiculous like that. How many are you getting? 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's play Level Ball. Search your deck for a Pokemon with 90 HP or less. What's my hand? Let's see that Aromatisse again. Start the Megaphone. So lame. I'm gonna do transfer. And then Rainbow Sphere for 100.
And Stunfisk, Cho, Chorus.
Alright.
Whoa. Seven, 8, 9. Fighting.
Alright.
Switch. Two and Darkrai.
Draw. Whoa, Tony.
He's getting hyper out of the soda.
I'll play Skyla. For Chorus.
Ew, your hand's that bad?
No. What the heck are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm shuffling.
Every day you're shuffling. Every day you're shuffling, bro. Every day. Transfer. Yeah, I could knock it out, but I'm just gonna cheat on Fancy.
Oh, that was such a good move, wasn't it?
What? Why?
Something's gonna happen now.
There you go. His turn.
And
Why you not putting no stadium in, Tony?
can't get it. Why aren't you putting anything in?
Don't want to.
Why? Because you got your dark eye.
Exactly. I want you to conjure it up and blow it up. I
was going to.
I want you to.
I ain't gonna
That's
do
the
it.
bait right there.
So is your Jirachi.
That's a bait too.
So is your Keldeo.
Don't touch Kelly.
Shut up.
Hey, either one of these two. That's fine.
Oh my god, Becky, look at her butt.
Wow.
Good job, champ.
Champ. Dodgeball.
Oh, I don't need to. Muddy water for 40 and 20 to Darkrai. No, Jirachi.
You want Jirachi or you want Darkrai? Jirachi?
Jirachi.
40,
Jirachi.
46. There, draw. Let's go Rainbow. Let's go Roomcheese.
Roomcheese, yes.
Let's see, 50, 70, 90.
Times 2.
Lucario with damage. Lysandre. Russian. Who's Russian? Transfer. And then Secret Sword.
That was so mean.
Took that bait, YouTube.
That's what
It's not even knockout.
I know. I just did it to stall.
Wow.
Stalling, Judge.
How you gonna stall me Darkrai when I have free retreat? That boy Tony is a fool.
Hey, that's not nice.
Yeah, that's not nice.
How much you doing? So 20, 40, 60, 120?
Ah, yeah.
20 to
Shirashi. Shirashi.
draw. Max that. Russian. I'm not even trying to play a supporter because I got that Suicune in my hand.
Ooh, fancy.
But I think I will. So I'm going to put in the stadium, Fairy Garden, free retreat. Because I don't want to miss no energy attachments for my turn. So I will play a Juniper, discarding Xerneas, another Juniper, Suicune, Virizion, and Spritzy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Rainbow there.
I think I just misplayed
Like a beast.
when I involved Lucario.
To that Mega.
That's the only reason why. I would have killed that Darkrai right now, right here.
Wow. I hope you wouldn't have. Transfer. Transfer. And then Secret Sword for 140.
I'm just gonna be stalling now.
Yeah, 140. Get that. Turn.
Stupid fish. Here you go.
Wow. Let's go Prism.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, Tony.
Run. No.
Run. Run. You just saved a little fly's life.
Wow.
Scare me.
It scared you. And he missed. And he missed. 50. Let me think. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130.
How the hell are you gonna hit for 130?
I transferred all that to him because it's all water energy.
Sometimes I just wish I ran that 101 Dusknoir.
Oh yeah.
All that damage everywhere.
That's the AC, guys. Sorry.
I didn't even know it was on.
It kicked on because it got too hot. Ooh.
Or you guys have a Gauss. Stupid Gauss. Hurry, I'm already 15 minutes late.
I don't want to play that.
Yeah, Secret Sword me, I'll kill you next turn.
Yeah, Secret Sword for 70 then.
That's straight face though.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Just have an upside down jack.
It looks
Play
good.
2 out of 3.
Wow.
2 out of 3. Please, Scotty. I don't know.
You should play that Jirachi.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, I want a Jirachi in here. Stupid Jirachi. I've only got one, and I can run it like in every deck. I have like 7
Take a
of
fairy
them.
deck apart, so you might as well. What are you Ultra Bomb for?
I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Fishy.
So the Secret Sword you for like 100 and something.
No, it's gonna die.
Wow.
No, pass.
Alright. Draw. Touch Rainbow. Is that 3?
What? cheat?
No. Transfer.
Oh,
Transfer.
gosh.
Transfer. For 50, 70, 90, 110. What are you at? 70?
You still need one more.
To knock you out?
Yeah.
130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
You need one more.
I need one more. Yeah. Suck it up. Ooh, do I?
You're already attached.
I know. Do I really want to? What do you have going on over there? Not a damn thing. Let's suck up that one. And then do Secret Sword for base 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. And you have 70 on you? 50, 60, 70.
230. 230.
Would you have 220 though?
Yeah. You overkilled me. Jeez. I'm glad I didn't play. Oh my Jesus.
Wow. You're not rumbling me. So you gonna die.
I'm not.
You're not finna one-shot me, I'll tell you that.
Muddy water 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. 20 to Shirashi.
Draw. Touch this rainbow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Oh, I didn't pay attention.
now
This
you
is
got
that surprise card.
50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170 times 2 is 340 for explosion on that. 340 damage. My last prize was fan club, but my hand was stacked. I had max potion, I had fairy guard, and I had Mewtwo just in case he added those Lucario antics, and I would have top decked a muscle bomb. So yeah.
Those were some good prizes.
Yeah. So you guys see the power Fairy still has. But
So embarrassing.
wow. But I'm telling you, that fighting deck, it really does work though. I mean, it just hits for hard damage really fast. I mean, turn one.
Set up first.
Yeah.
And not play fairies.
Or just that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Once again, shout out to Bayboy. Make sure you PM me. I sent your cards out for the trade. And if anybody has my main one is Seismitoad EX. So if anybody got that Seismitoad EX, I know I'm trying to get one in the mail as soon as the homie gets his from a trade. But if anybody has Seismitoad EX, make sure you go check out my trade binder, which is on the previous video before this one, if I'm not mistaken. And go pick out some stuff or whatever, and then get a trade going with me so I can get those Seismitoads. So, because I'm trying to get 4.
I had one last night.
Yeah. And you're supposed to save it for me, but...
Well, you don't have a Lucario, and I need my 3rd Lucario. I can't wait.
Wow.
It's full art too. I don't really care.
That's
$5 difference. I don't care.
But you could have got a full art kill deal, which is what you really want, instead of buying them.
I could just buy them off of you. I would.
Wow.
For
Buy me with
now.
Seismitoad. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go like, comment, rate, subscribe. Go check out Intelligent Maze page, like, comment, rate, subscribe. I wish to go check out Tony's page, but he deleted it like a jerk. So you guys can't find him anywhere. And other than that, hit me up with those Seismitoads because I really need them. And look out for the next battle video. Hopefully it'll be that if I can get that built in time. And I hope you guys have fun watching. And thanks so much. Peace.